So now we're gonna make up the gas line, all right? And it's just threading right in. And I got lucky that the gas, it fit the old, the new tank. The gas line is just gonna connect right in. I don't have to puzzle nothing together. It's a no-brainer. Got real lucky. So you just want to dope up the line. This is called pipe dope. And it's basically a sealant, a thread sealant. Now we move to our gas valve. We're going to spin this right onto the gas valve, and then we're going to hook up the union, turn on the gas, and we'll see what happens. Okay, so we're all connected. Gas valve, pipe, right to your gas. Gas is in the off position right now. What I'm gonna do is turn the water on. So I'm gonna open up the cold. You hear it? Time to fill up the tank, baby. Just crank her open. Open up the hot water cutoff. Let that water really get where it needs to go. Where the hell is this to go? And this tank is now going to fill up completely with water. And the next step now is we're going to turn the gas on. Turn on the gas. This particular one turns right on with the hand. So now the gas is on. Now's the fun part. We want to ignite this bad boy. Have to pull this out. I'm sorry about the camera work. There's a little glass window in there. I can barely see it. I'm looking for a spark in there when I do this. So we move this to pilot. It's already on pilot, you can see. And then you push it in. And while you're pushing it in, simultaneously you click this button, and it's an electronic ignition. I need 2 hands to do this. All right. You might be able to see that little pilot light in there. I got it lit. Now we're gonna turn and burn. There we go, ignition. Yeah, baby.